In this video, I'll show you how to easily deactivate or delete your Telegram account. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, it's important to note that there is no option to temporarily deactivate your account in Telegram. Additionally, the option that permanently delete your account if you don't log in for a while is enabled by default. Now, let's go through the steps. First, open the Telegram app, then tap on Settings. Scroll down a bit until you find Privacy and Security. Next, scroll down to the very bottom. There you'll see the option labeled Automatically Delete My Accounts. This option determines how long your account will remain active if you don't log in. The default settings is typically 6 months, but you can choose any duration from 1 month up to 1 year. If you want to manually delete your account right now, you'll find the option to delete account. That's all there is to it regarding how to deactivate or delete your Telegram account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up